Hi guys, welcome to Pabbly Connect workshop. So in this video, we are going to learn how to integrate Stripe and Sendinblue. Our use case is pretty simple. When a new customer is created in Stripe, it will create a contact in Sendinblue. Now Stripe is an online payment processing platform and Sendinblue is an email marketing software. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from Stripe to Sendinblue. But there is one minor problem. Stripe and Sendinblue are two different applications. Hence there is no data flow between them. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will use Pabbly Connect to integrate Stripe and Sendinblue. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming language. It can be done in 2 easy steps. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, to begin the process, first of all, we have to visit the website called as pabbly.com. So let's type pabbly.com in our browser. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here, hover on products and you will find the option called as connect at the bottom. Okay, here at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click this. Then click on sign in. Okay, at the right corner you will find a button called as sign in. Click this. Log in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can build your own account in just 2 minutes. Now scroll down and get to this part called as connect. Here click on access now. Then at the right top corner you will find a button called as create workflow. Click this. So a dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I am going to give it as Stripe to Sendinblue. Stripe to Sendinblue. Then click on create. So when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. Here in the choose app, let's make it as Stripe. In the choose method, since we are interested in creating a customer, so let's keep it as new customer created. Now new customer is basically a trigger. Now your obvious question is, what is a trigger? Trigger is a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if new customer is created, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are many more triggers like new invoice, new order, new refund, and even more new plan, new invoice item, and so on. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to make. But at present, I am only interested in when a new customer is made, okay, then only the system will trigger. So let's keep it as new customer. So basically what we are trying to do is, we are trying to connect Stripe to Pabbly Connect. So let me show you my Stripe account. Here, since we are going to integrate Stripe to Pabbly Connect, let's first go to this part called as developers. Click this. It's actually clicked in my account. Click on developers, then go to webhooks. Okay, at the right corner, you will find a button called as add endpoint. Click this. Now a window of add endpoint opens up. Here you will find a blank called as endpoint URL. To get the endpoint URL, just go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the webhook URL or the endpoint URL we want, and paste it here. The description will remain empty, the version will remain same, and coming to the most important part, events to send. So we have to send the data when a new customer is created. So let's keep an event as new customer created. So let's search for new customer created. Yes, we have new customer created. Click this, then click on add endpoint. Okay, so it is showing that the status has been enabled. So basically what we have done here is, we have successfully connected Stripe to Pabbly Connect. Now that Stripe and Pabbly Connect is now integrated, so let's see whether Pabbly Connect can capture any data from Stripe. So to do that, let's go to Pabbly Connect and click on this button called as capture webhook response. Click this. Okay, so it is showing that it is waiting for a data. So we are going to create a dummy customer in Stripe. So let's go to Stripe and let's go to customers. Now here we are going to create a new customer. Click this. So the name of the customer is, let's say, Macy. The account email is Macy Wright 123@gmail.com. Okay, the description, let's keep it as empty. Billing email is same as the account email. The country and the number I can write 9131323915. Okay, time zone I'm keeping it as empty. Language, let's say, is French. Macy is French girl, and the currency is Swiss franc or something. Yes, we have Swiss. Tax status is taxable. Tax ID is empty. Then click on add customer. Okay, so a customer called as Macy has been created. Her email address is macywright123@gmail.com. So since Pabbly Connect is now trying to capture the data, let's see whether Pabbly Connect has captured this data or not. So let's go to Pabbly Connect and see. Yes, the data has been captured. So let's see the data. So the email is macywright123@gmail.com. The name is Macy. This is the phone number, and she is from French and she is from France. Okay, so the shipping name, and this is the phone number and rest of the details. So we have got the data from Stripe to Pabbly Connect. Now we have to sync this data to Sendinblue. To do that, just click on this plus button. So when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. Here in the choose app, let's make it as Sendinblue. This one. In the choose method, since we are interested in creating a contact, let's keep it as create a contact. However, you should know that there are many more action types like get an email campaign information, send an SMS campaign immediately, and like send an SMS campaign, get a contact information, and so on. Okay, so there are many more action type other than create a contact. But similarly, like triggers, if you don't find the action of your choice, you can make a request at admin@pabbly.com to build a custom action for you. But at present, I am interested in creating a contact. So let's keep it as create a contact. Then click on connect with Sendinblue. In credentials, let's keep it as new credentials. Now in the new credentials, we have a blank to fill called as the API key. To get the API key, let us go to Sendinblue, and here in the profile, just expand it. Now here you will find a button called as SMTP and API. Click this. Now here we are going to create a new API key. To do that, just click on this blue button called as create a new API key. Okay, so we have to give a name to this API key. I'm going to give a random name like Pulse. Okay, then click on generate. Okay, so a API key with the name Pulse has been created, and this is the API key. Simply copy this and paste it here. Then click on save. Okay, so Pabbly Connect is now connected with Sendinblue. But before we start mapping our details, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe with us. Okay, so in the select list, it is showing two lists, awesome list and your first list. So that is because I actually have two lists. Let me show you my contacts. And these are the list I have. 1 minute. Yes, these are the list I have, awesome list and your first list. Okay, so Pabbly Connect has basically mapped this detail. So I want to send this person called as Macy into awesome list. So let's keep it as awesome list. In update enable status, let's keep it as false. In blacklisted email, let's keep it as false. In SMS blacklisted, let's keep it as false. Now the email, we are going to map in the email. Now this button is called as the mapping button. Okay, so we are going to map in the data that we have received from Stripe. So the email was macywright123@gmail.com, and the first name was, let's say it was Macy, right? Yeah, Macy. The last name is not really important. Since we are not interested in sending an SMS, let's keep it as blank. Then click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing that the data has been sent to Sendinblue. So let's see in our contacts whether we have a person called as Macy. So contacts. Yes, we have a contact called as Macy, and the email address is macywright123@gmail.com. So the presence of this contact shows that we have connected Stripe and Sendinblue with help of Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a customer is created in Stripe, it will create a contact in Sendinblue. But to double check it if the integration is working fine or not, let's make one more dummy customer in Stripe. But before that, let me show you the whole process in a nutshell. So let's minimize this. This is the action window that I have minimized, and this is the trigger window that I have minimized. So basically, this is the whole process in a nutshell. First, you integrated Stripe to Pabbly Connect, then you integrated Pabbly Connect to Sendinblue. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Stripe and Sendinblue. Okay, so let's make one more contact, one more customer in Sendinblue, in Stripe. Okay, I'm sorry about that. So the name of the person is let's say Parker Raj. Okay, and the email is spidey123@gmail.com, and the description is something empty. That's all. The country, let's say, is Parker Raj is from India this time. The address line, do we have to mention it? Okay, something random we are going to mention. So Delhi Street, city is Delhi, postcode is 462023, state is Madhya Pradesh, 9131323918. Time zone, language, currency not really important. Then click on add customer. Okay, so a person called as Parker Raj has been created, and his email address is spidey123@gmail.com. So let's see whether we have a contact called as Parker Raj with email address spidey123@gmail.com. So let's refresh this. Yes, we have a contact called as Parker Raj. His email address is spidey123@gmail.com. So this means that our integration is working absolutely fine. So whenever a new customer is created in Stripe, it will automatically create a contact in Sendinblue. Okay.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate a plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or just visit us at www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.